Hi there, this is
Exclusive hot.
Hi, this is Maya again. Today we're gonna do a Lego friend's house. Look at this. Check it out. It's so cool. You wanna buy like that? Look. So guys, the people that build the Lego are so creative. Look at it. So, do you remember their names? She's Olivia, Emma, and Andrea. She likes songs, she likes cats, and she likes science like me. And guys, let's check out the things in the Lego Friends house. Let us turn the house. Ooh, there's 2 cups, and this is like a jacuzzi, but it's not like a bubble bath or something. This is a telescope, and from here, it's like that. I don't know what it's called, but it can do like that. It can go down, go up, down, up, and these are the girls' bed. I know there's enough people to see. I know there's 5 beds, but there's only 3 girls. Yeah, I know. Okay, now let us check the things that they can like sit on, ride on, hold on. Let us start with Emma on this one. This is the handle. First we'll put it up, then put Emma. Okay, and 1, and 2, and 3, go! Ta-da! Okay, let's just put her back here, and I want to try something with Andrea. She has a microphone. Okay, and let me get her guitar and like sing and rock and style song. Let me just, can I first put her and you can see? Thank you guys. Look, she is singing. La 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 la. Now let us get her guitar. Look at her guitar. Let us put it on Andrea. Now she's singing and doing with the guitar. See? She's a cool singer. She likes to be the winner when like she's in a song show or a music show. She likes to be the winner. Always. But sometimes she's kind. She gave her friend the trophy because she was sad. And yeah, like that. Now it's turn for Olivia. She likes science, okay? She'll go up, let me turn the house, and look for space and planets. And so she's looking. I can see Saturn. I can see stars. I can see the moon. See, she can see everything because she's a scientist like me. But I'm a future scientist. Alright. Let us see what the hamster can do. I have a hamster in this Lego. Let me turn it. Over here. Here he is. This is his hamster house. This is his food. And you want to see him how he rides here? Let me just put it in. Now, look how it spins. Whee! Alright, so let's turn around the house and these three will come and right on their chairs. This is Emma's chair. You know her. She likes sparkle and she likes to paint. Yeah, and she likes cats. This is Olivia's place. And over here, I cannot reach it. It's Andrea's place. Okay, so they're writing. And they're done. So now, they'll get a bubble bath with their juices. That's how they're going up. And they'll put some song. And these three, oopsie, let me put our back. These three are having fun together. They're drinking juices. And this is Olivia's book. It's for her science book. And it's a diary for her only. So she's reading now. Oh, right guys. So now, Emma doesn't want to have a bath now. Only Andrea and Olivia. Okay, now Emma is going to fix something because there's something broken. She'll get her everything to fix her slides. Look what she'll do. She will get this. Let us fix it. I think there's something wrong here. Right on that? Yep, Maria. Okay, so. And she's done with the slides. Look at that garage. And turn up. It's open. Close. Open. Close. Alright, so now we are going to sleep. They're going to sleep, not me. So let us turn the house. Another one. And okay, maybe I'm gonna sleep too. Okay, they wanna go to sleep? Just let them go to sleep. Where's my fixer bicycle? And I don't know what's his name. What? Where are my tools? I'm gonna call the police. What? What? I can't believe it. Let me now put it like that. Now she's having grass. Okay, I'm still trying.
A few moments later.
What did you know? Oh, right now. Let's see if they're not gone. Oh! Oh! What? What? Come on. I want to just. I'm gonna have fun with my bicycle. Whee! Now I'm done playing with my bicycle. Let me put it here. Okay, let me put it here. Thank you, Maria. You're welcome. Let me put it in the garage. And thank you for watching, Maria. And next time, I don't know who did take the bicycle and the tools. Let me call Nivea and Kenny if they did. Ring, ring.
Yeah.
Did you take the bicycle and the tools?
No.
Say the truth. No, you boys.
What did you say?
Right?
Sorry again.
Okay. Now we will play with my house.
Let's play, everyone. I want to go back.
Thank
you.
you. I want to sing. No, I don't wanna. Let me think of something.
Who wants to laugh with me the second one?
Nani.
You. Do you want?
I can see a camera. Whoa! Is that a human? Buddy. Maybe it's an astronaut.
Let me see. Let me see. Breakfast.
Is that Maria's mom?
No. Let me write. How can she be space?
You should see Maria and Nivea and Kenya's mom. She's in space and holding a camera and seeing us.
No.
Look!
Need a boot.
Uh-oh. Let me.
Does somebody do it like that?
I don't know who is she. Maybe she's not. Nah. Yup, guys. Let us have a bath and sit. I'm gonna put this on. Everything is up. Hey, Marie, my dear. Everything is up. Thank you for watching, Maria.
Don't forget Crazy Kimi who keeps storing Marie legal.
I mean, Nabila, what will this crazy playing 20? Wow!